Welcome at Cotima in Dormagen. I would like to show you the latest development of Cotima, the Cotima Smartcoater, with our new HMI developed for Industry 4.0. In the front part of the unit, you have the coating station, which is interchangeable. It's a modular design. You can use 32 different coating systems, and you have a lot of space to operate the unit easily. So this is the coating station in the front. Underneath the coating station, you have the unwinding area, you have corona station, web cleaning, and other systems which can be used for operation. After the coating, we have the Cotima air dryer systems. So we have here 3 meters of dryers, but you can have endless dryers for your purpose. Everything ATEX conform, and in the back part of the unit, we have a laminating station. We have an edge-guided winding system together with BST. These units can be configured after your specifications. So that's the most versatile, most compact system you will find in the market for coating, printing, and laminating systems in the world.